The Grand Palais is one of Paris's most iconic and magnificent monuments. Renowned globally as an architectural masterpiece and a major cultural and events venue. Here is a detailed overview, including its history, architecture, and its recent major restoration. Architectural splendor and history. The Grand Palais was built for the 1900 Exposition Universelle World's Fair, and stands as a spectacular example of Beaux-Arts architecture, blending classical stone facades with a revolutionary structure of steel and glass. The nave and the glass roof. The central feature is its enormous main hall, or nave, which is topped by the largest glass roof in Europe. The metal structure is a feat of engineering, weighing more than the iron used for the Eiffel Tower. This vast, light-filled space gives the building its unique, monumental yet ethereal quality. Design elements. The structure is noted for its intricate ironwork, majestic staircases, and ornate stone sculptures on its exterior, including the famous bronze chariots, quadrigae, atop the two main facades. It is part of the Paris, Rêves de la Seine area, a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. Original purpose. The building was designed to host large-scale events, from fine arts exhibitions and agricultural shows to fashion parades, and, notably, a long history of sporting events. The Grand Palais is a multifunctional cultural hub, divided into several main sections. The nave, Grand Nave. The main, barrel-vaulted hall that hosts major international events, including contemporary art fairs like Art Basel Paris, formerly FIAC, fashion shows, and large-scale public installations. The Galeries Nationales. These galleries host major temporary exhibitions, often showcasing world-class art and cultural collections. The Palais de la Découverte, a science museum dedicated to interactive exhibits, located in the west wing of the complex. It is also undergoing renovation and is expected to fully reopen its facilities in winter 2026. New public spaces. The restoration has introduced new, freely accessible areas, including the Place Centrale, new bookshops, and several restaurants and cafes, such as the Brasserie Le Grand Café. Palais des Enfants. A new, dedicated space beneath the Rotonde d'Antin designed for children aged 2 to 10, offering a playful blend of art and science activities. Cultural partnership. From June 2025, the Grand Palais will host exhibitions and collections from the Centre Pompidou, while the latter's main building is closed for its own renovation. I hope you enjoy the Grand Palais and views surrounding it.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? See you in my next content.